Okay, I'm gonna do a quick demonstration on how to use Genius Scan. That's the app up here. You hit the Genius Scan app, and these are the files that I've already scanned. So I'm just gonna hit the camera button at the bottom. You see the blue circle, and then I put my paper on my desk. It'll find it and scan it, and that's the scanned copy. If I didn't like it, I will go back to it and I delete it. And now let me see if I can rescan it. Scan it. Now this is okay. And I don't want to set up the back page of this one, but change your document and change page. If it's a book, it turns the page. And now this is the third page for my document. Now I'm done, so I'm just gonna hit that check button, check at the bottom. Now I have the file, and I can change the file accordingly. Say I'm just gonna call this test file. Okay, done. So now it is saved in the app as test file, as a PDF file. If you want to share it, you hit the share button at the top. Then you can save it in the memory, and you can choose a folder to save it. Or I'll go back. You can send it as an email attachment. So you get to choose your email to send it as an email attachment, or you can send it through Telegram or WhatsApp. I'm not quite sure. Some of these are paid services, but at the top you can see you can send it through one of those. Okay, so if you hit the email button, it'll ask you for the email address where to send it to, and then you type in that email address and it'll send it directly. All right, I hope this helps.